Hey, how y'all doing today? Okay, so today I just want to show y'all how I make my grilled ham and cheese, my favorite version of it. It's the best. And so I'm just going to show you how I do it, and maybe if you try it, you can let me know in the comments what you thought of it. Okay, so here we go. Here's the ingredients. Okay, so here's all the ingredients, and what I do is I take some butter, real butter, not margarine, and I melt it in the microwave. And sometimes they have this bread sliced, but lately they haven't, so I have to slice it myself. It's from Walmart, and it's the garlic herb topped Italian bread. It's so good. And then I use some Black Forest ham. It doesn't matter what brand. And some pepper jack cheese. My husband wants American and pepper jack mixed. I don't like American, so I'm just getting pepper jack. But you can use cheddar or any kind of cheese you want. And what I do is I just slice this bread up, melt the butter. I lay the bread out here, brush the butter on, cook my ham first, and then I put the sandwiches together and cook those. So I'm going to show you the process of all that.
Sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way, no one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well, so well, yeah. Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. If someone tells you otherwise, give 'em warning. Don't let yourself be restrained. Own yourself and just walk away. Away, yeah, yeah. Just one look in your eyes, and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile. Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. There's something about the way you look when you sip your chai. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Ooh, don't you know that everybody wants to be your love, love? Ooh, don't you know, yeah, that I never thought I'd fall under your spell, yeah. Just one look in your eyes, and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind. Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. It's something about the way you look when you sip your chai, baby, yeah, yeah. Smile like there's no one watching. Sip your chai, yeah, yeah. Do it, baby, just like that, yeah. I'll be waiting till you're ready, yeah, yeah. I'll wait as long as it takes. I'll be waiting till you're ready, yeah, yeah. Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. It's something about the way you look when you sip your chai. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching you. You got nothing to hide.
Well, there you have it. The very best grilled ham and cheese sandwich. Let me know if y'all try it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good day.